Ricky here, and you're watching Ricky Talk Shop. I am working today on this little Ampeg PF-350 amplifier. This is one that a customer brought in. He bought it used. I guess he used it for a few months, and it stopped working. So right away when I took the cover off of it, you'll see here capacitor blown up here. This capacitor has been replaced at some point. I don't know if you can see in the film or not, but this capacitor here is bulged up around this edge here. If you run your finger over it, you can really feel it. So this capacitor's bad. This one's way blown up. This has been replaced, and whoever had this apart before didn't put all the screws back in the circuit board here. The whole circuit board. And a big thing here is you can see the traces on the circuit board. A lot of the circuit grounds through the screws to the chassis. So this thing was running with a lot of the chassis, a lot of the parts not grounded. Ricky here, and you're watching Ricky Talk Shop. I'm here with the Ampeg PF-350 that we took a look inside. I've gone ahead, I've replaced those capacitors that were bad. I felt kind of surprised that that was all that was wrong in here. I was expecting it to be much worse. Like I said before, it was missing a bunch of the screws out of the circuit board from a previous repair that someone had done. And the whole circuit, everything grounds to the chassis through the screw contacts, so that caused some problems. Here we've got some of the blown up capacitors. And then these big capacitors, I put them on the tester and they came up just really pretty far out of spec. I mean, they tested as working capacitors, but way below their rated values. And these are all just kind of really generic off-brand parts. These are Imagine, and this is Silencion. Just really cheap parts. We put some good Rubicon capacitors in here. Funny story, I had to order parts for this 3 times. Seriously, 3 times I got the wrong parts. Like, I ordered the right parts, and then what showed up in the mailbox was the wrong parts. Unbelievable. Some great customer service out there. Anyway, it's alive. Like I said, I was kind of surprised. That was all that was wrong. And I'm not a bass player, but nope, I'm not. Yeah, it works. It's alive. Thank you guys for watching.